Alright, Dirtbags, today we had some unexpected events, okay? We're in North Carolina, Harnett County. Rarely get snow here, and if we do, it's not like this. So we decided that we're gonna have a little snow camping adventure.
All night, baby, all nighter.
What's the temperature right now?
Temperature right now, as of 7 o'clock, is 28 degrees.
28 degrees, okay?
And it's supposed to snow all the way up until 1 a.m.,
And then
boys.
what's the low?
The low tonight is going to be the 22.
22 is the low. So we're about to go get a fire set up, get our sleep spot set up, and we'll see you there.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Ready, brother?
Tippy forgot the yeah.
Damn! Oh,
Yeah, I'm
Yeah, idiot.
Hey, I'm glad you went that, though.
All right, let's go.
let's go, brother.
We out here.
Let's do it, brother.
Yep, let's go. Come on, Scooby. Tough camp spot to get to. Your back window's down. Oh. Yeah.
Alright, so we're walking down to the campspot.
Yep, gotta find us a spot.
Alex, you know this area more than we do.
Oh, this spot's pretty nice, actually.
Yeah, if we clean all these sticks and stuff.
Move some of this shrubbery.
Yeah, we
We
gotta.
can use some of this.
Yeah.
Right here, boys.
I could probably fit my tent in between these two trees.
Bet, say less. Foam right here, fire right here, and we'll figure it out right there.
Bet.
The area right here.
I'm okay with it.
I'm down. Alright, let's get to work.
Alright guys, I just finished up my tent right here. Now, gonna go get some stuff to make a fire. Got theirs pretty much up too. Yep. All right, guys. Alex, he's gonna whip up some cheddar broccoli soup. Phoebe's whipping up some beanie weenies, and I'm gonna whip up some rotel dip, and it's gonna be busting.
Busting.
fly over there to get that one going.
That's what she said. Devin, lift up your sausage real quick, brother. I don't want to get this. Alex, blow that away. I'm getting smoke in my face.
Well, I don't want to blow it in the rotella.
Oh, yeah.
Just breathe in straight smoke.
I got you.
Oh,
You should get there. Look, you can take all my coals. I'm done.
Oh.
Hey, good. We need that. Hey.
where's the spoon?
You put the whole bag in or what?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
Bro, splash some of that cheddar brock in my
Dude, that's my technique though. I ain't splashed none though, low key, right?
Yeah. You splashed all of it. No, I'm just
This is my little technique I've developed over the years.
over your years of making cheddar broccoli.
We're really whisking powder into like water, like rice-a-roni or pasta-roni or mac and cheese. Well,
Any Ronies.
yeah. We just gotta let it cook and it thickens. I think I mixed it up pretty good.
This Rotel's mild too. That's good. Okay.
He didn't open it up big enough.
Oh, it's freezing. That's why.
Yeah, slush.
Cream cheese.
Daddy, chill.
Sausage, cream cheese, Rotel. Or Velveeta cheese and Rotel.
Damn, I ain't tasted it yet, but I'm starting to understand what this one tastes like.
It's going to taste like.
Guys, I don't know if y'all can tell, but it's snowing.
It's snowing.
Enjoying some of Devin's Rotel dip.
Yeah. We were supposed to have chips, but we got spoons.
Hey, it's as good as a soup.
Yeah.
Alex is about to finish up his cheddar broccoli soup.
Well, that was 5 to 10 minutes ago, I think. So
Yeah.
it's ready.
Down by the river. Off the burner. Oh. He about fell in. Is it hot, bro?
All right, guys. We dropped the dogs off, and now we're headed back to the campsite. Oh yeah, fire definitely went dead.
Snow in the way. Alrighty, it is 12:23 and the temperature is 21 degrees. It says it's gonna stop snowing in 5 minutes and start again 6 minutes later. So, we'll see.
All right, Alex had a great idea. Okay. Everybody's cold as right? For some motivation. Other than you guys, okay? We do this all for you guys. Come on now.
If you give up, you gotta, in boxers, go roll around in the snow.
Yep,
Snow angels and all of that.
for at least a minute.
Yep.
A minute?
No! God, please, no! No!
A solid minute.
A solid minute.
2 hours later.
It's getting cold. We're trying to stay warm out here. Try to get some sleep here in a little bit. All right, Dirtbags, it's 2:16, and I'm going to bed. I'll see you in the morning. Peace. All right, guys. It's like 6:50, 20 degrees. It's cold. I'm about to start cleaning some stuff up in the tent. Get bundled up, start a little fire. Alright guys, just pulled the truck up, getting it warm, about to load up the damn tent. Everybody's up and everybody's cold. How y'all feeling this morning?
I'm cold.
Good.
I'm cold.
Fucking cold as
Yeah, got a little fire going. We starting. That concludes this episode of Dirtbags.
That's right.
We camped in the snow last night. Spontaneous, last minute decision, but we did it.
Yep.
And nobody got the punishment of having to swim in the snow this morning, so that's good.
Yeah.
Because everybody's freezing. So with that being said, we'll see you next time.
Sir.
Peace.
Oh God! I just got ear raped by the.
And it says it's supposed to stop snowing in about 12 minutes. So we'll see.
solid minute.
A solid minute. A solid 60 seconds.
Solid 60 seconds.
Peace.